What's the meaning of caller? Caller. Caller.
Caller. Caller. The term caller can have different meanings depending on the context. In telecommunication, a caller is someone who initiates a telephone call, or in computer programming, a caller is a piece of code that invokes a function. In general, a caller refers to a person or entity that requests a service or an action from another person or entity. The term is often used in customer service, where a caller is a person who contacts a company for assistance or information. Ultimately, the term caller describes the active party who initiates communication in a given context.